Hi everyone, in today's video I'll be doing this really beautiful and glowy Valentine's makeup tutorial for you guys. So today I'm starting off with Makeup Obsession, which is a new brand that I came across and I haven't seen it much around, but the eyeshadows are super duper creamy, so you guys have to try it out. The color I'm using right now for my crease is the cinnamon shade All Around My Crease, and then I'm going in with the Makeup Revolution palette, which I have shown previously in my Christmas gifts one. I'm using this pink shade and I'm just going to apply that all over my lid because it's such a pretty shade and it's Valentine's Day look, so we have to accommodate some kind of pink tones. So I'm just using this fattish brush, which I'm not sure which brand it's by, but I've had it for a while, so I'm just using that and I'm going to just apply it all over my lid. Now I'm taking the second shade, which is Bourbon, and just going to apply it on the outer corners. I'm just slowly building it up. So this brand does single eyeshadows that you can choose, and then you have this case of it which you can actually put the eyeshadows in, so you can basically make your own palette, which is absolutely amazing and it's very affordable as well. Whilst we are on the eyeshadow on the outer crease, outer corner, I'm just blending it in with this brush very slowly. Now I am going in with the Plum shade, which is a very beautiful shade. It's a bit holographic, it has a little bit of like shimmer in it, and it's really nice. Guys, you have to try these eyeshadows, I'm telling you. Now I'm just going in with the same shade that I used right at the beginning. I'm just deepening it up and then using the same cinnamon shade and just building more shade in my crease to just, you know, blend everything all together. Now I just felt that the Plum shade was actually veering off a bit, so I just applied a bit more. And for my waterline, I have used my Rimmel Scandalized waterproof gel pencil, or just my pencil, whatever you want to call it, in black. This is my go-to. I use it in absolutely every tutorial. I use it on a daily basis. It's one of my super duper favorite pencil. To highlight my brow bone, I have used MAC Soft and Gentle. I'm just going to go ham with it. You guys are going to see it later down the line in this tutorial. To highlight my face, I am using my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, which I also use in every tutorial, which I need to change, and I know I need to use something new, but I don't know, I'm just so hooked onto this. So I'm just applying that under my eyes in triangular shape, and also going to go in and apply that on my nose, forehead and my chin. So basically all those areas that I want to highlight. This is a very good trick. If your foundation is a tad bit darker and you want to make it work, just do that. Use a lighter shade of concealer and just, yeah, it's going to, you know, calm the color down a bit, and it's, yeah, basically going to match your skin tone then. So yeah, I'm just using a wet sponge to blend it all in, and then I went with Charlotte Tilbury, what is it called? It is Charlotte Tilbury Contour Stick in the shade Hollywood, I believe, and I'm just using that to contour my face. I applied it on my forehead, nose and my cheekbones. It is a really good contour color. It blends beautifully. Previously I used Anastasia, but I'm pretty sure this one is much better because it's so easy to blend. And yeah, just basically put it wherever you want to put. I applied a bit too much on my nose actually. I should have really gone with like a brush, because it is kind of hard to shape your nose if you apply too much, but I made it work afterwards. So just using a normal brush, I'm just blending the shade, and yeah, you guys should try this out as well. It is on a bit of an expensive side, and you don't actually get that much product, but nevertheless the product in itself is really nice. So now I'm just blending the nose contour with this brush, and as you can see, the product was quite a bit, so I used concealer again on the outer edges of my nose to blend it all together, and that kind of helped tone it down and blend it easily. And I just used my wet sponge again and went in and blend it all together. So now I'm using a pencil brush, and the shades that I'm using on my lower lash line are the pink shades that I used on top of my lid, and also the brown that I used on the outer corner. So the outer half I'm doing brown and the inner half I am doing pink, and kind of like mixing it all together to give it a nice gradient kind of effect, and just taking my time to blend it all in. Next up, I am using MAC Soft and Gentle and just highlighting my inner corners of the eyes to open them up a bit. And then I'm going in with the NYX contour shades. It's called Highlight and Contour Palette, and just using the brown shades that suit my skin tone the best, and just contouring on top of the cream contour that I used. And just using a fluffy brush to contour my cheeks and my forehead. I'm sorry if my voice sounds creaky and squeaky. It's because I am actually coming down with something and I cannot help it, but yeah, I sound a bit ill. I'm using the same shade for my nose as well, and blending it all together. Now I'm going in with the Rimmel matte ink eyeliner and just lining my eyes, and I've just done a super easy wing and not done anything dramatic because I didn't want it to spoil the whole eye look, so just something basic. For my mascara, I used L'Oreal mascara today. All the details will be in the info box below. It's called False Lash Sculpt mascara, and I haven't used any false lashes today, so I just went ham with the mascara. Now with the blush, this is my uber duper super favorite blush palette from Makeup Forever, and I just mix and match the colors in that palette and use them on my face. And then for highlighter, again I'm going in with Soft and Gentle and proper going ham on the highlighter today, because I wanted to have glowy skin, so the more the merrier. Used it again on my nose as well. And my top lip, my forehead, and then I'm lining my lips with MAC Spice lip liner and kind of filled it in as well a bit. And then on top for the lipstick, I'm going in with Honey Love. I really hope you guys like this tutorial. I am adding a bit of highlighter on my lips because why not? My lips need to look a bit fuller, and the more highlighter the better. Today is the day to glow. I'm going in with more highlighter from Anastasia, and just topping it up, just being a bit extra. It doesn't hurt, does it? It just looks pretty. So yes, after that I'm just going to use my MAC Prep and Prime, and I've sprayed my face with it, which I obviously cut out by mistake, but oh well. This look is complete. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial as much as I loved creating it, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share, and I shall catch you guys in my next video. Bye.